Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Mr. Surono and friends. My name is Putri Fajri from class C. On this occasion, I'm going to show you how to make dolphin using a colored paper. Some material we need, like a piece of colored paper, scissors, and pen. Okay, let's go to the step. First, prepare a piece of colored paper. Second, fold into a triangle and unfold it. Repeat on the other side. Third, fold the left and right sides to the center line, so it will form a kite shape, and unfold it. Do the same steps on the other side. Next, fold the right side along the existing crease. A small triangle will form in the middle. Repeat on the left side. Next, fold both small triangles toward the top. After that, turn the paper over, then fold the top corner to the back. Next, fold it forward again. Along the crease, fold it upward in line with the crease. Then fold the pointed part to the back. After that, fold the bottom part toward to the top so that it forms the body and the fin. Then, fold the back part up to form the tail. Return it to original position, then cut the middle of the tail. Next, fold one side to the top. For the fin, fold a small part into a small triangle downward. On the opposite, fold it toward to the top. After that, draw an edge on the head that has been formed. Finally, the dolphin is finished. This is eye, this is head, and this is tail. Also, this is fin. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is helpful. See you again.